flight mode or switched off. Your seatbelt is fastened. Your seat is in the upright position. And your tray table is stowed. Thank you.
Hello guys, and welcome to the new video. I'm Max and this is Prague. So 1 year ago I went here, first time with a Mavic to fluid, first time abroad, and I really like it. Here is a lot of places to go. So now I'm back after 1 year to try to shoot some more Mavic stuff. So I hope today I'll show you some old places and new places. So let's go. The best way to get around Prague to fly Mavic, because it's either a car or a bicycle, but it's cheaper to get a bicycle, so it's the best. For my favorite rent in Prague is Olaf bike, so let's go take a ride. So we just got the bike and now crossing the Vitava river to go to the first spot, which is there. It's always beautiful here at the river. Yeah, very good view as always. So this is the Tetsky Park. It has a nice view around the city. A nice and calm place to ride a bike. To ride quicker, you need a beer. So here we are at the first point, and it's called Metronome. I think it's one of the best, or even the best place to fly here, because it's on a hill. You can see the old city from here, and from the sky it's even better. So let's go! Was the first spot. Let's go further to the Pražský Grad, which is not sure it's possible there now to fly, but I hope. But let's look at the park, which is beautiful. Tankowy beer from a tank. Even if you're monitored, you should not be afraid. Advice from expert. So, like 2-3 years ago, this door was open, but now it's closed. So it's like, to go to the castle, you should go another way. So now the entrance to the castle is here, and it's like fully checked, and you can't access it with bicycle. I tried a new spot to fly here near the Grad, and Graz is still a bit too far, and it's not quite good to see. But the spot is interesting, the place is good, and no police, and just check it out. So we came to the spot with the stadium, but it turns out today is windy here, so I tried to make boomerang, tried to shoot some videos, but it was not that good. So, but you can see, but if you are here, don't worry, come here. I'm at Visegrad, and Visegrad is always a very good place to fly. It has a very beautiful church and very beautiful park, and once again it's located on a hill. So any place which is located on a hill is great to fly here. But now just I saw a police guy which was patrolling here, so be careful. This place is one of my favorite in Prague. It has an awesome view. Last year I made some cute drone selfies here. But this time I think it's not very good because here is festival, not very good to fly now. So let's go further. Awesome ride, we didn't have a good bicycle to ride here, but today I'm struggling a bit. But you know, it's okay to struggle. And there is a view, and there is a festival. So now we're going to Hostel Forest, one of my favorite places in Prague to chill out. I'll show you, it's one of the best. Here is the business zone of Prague, lot of offices. So I guess somewhere here is Microsoft building. I'm not sure where, but it's here. Just 5 kilometers from Visegrad, and here is a country style road. It's like a very weird place. I feel like we're not even in a city, but the city, you know, it's there. Almost felt, but I'm okay. So it's like 20 minutes more to our forest. Yes.
This is a dump that makes Hostevar Pond. I usually launch Mavic from here, but first let's get to the food. This small cafe near Hostevarpon, they sell hot dogs and of course beer. Just near the stalls there is tables to eat. There is tons activities to do at Hostevarpon. There is water skiing, tennis and volleyball playground, and of course the beach where you can swim, relax, sunbath.
So today is the end. Time to go to the rent to return the bikes. It was a good day, good ride, good flights. But tomorrow I'll try to show you places in center of Prague to fly Mavic. Hello guys, and this is the second day in Prague. Yesterday we was riding back to the rent shop and we found this amazing road for rollers and bicycle. So we couldn't miss a chance to get here and just explore it. And the first spot I found to fly is here. I did one boomerang and just flew around. So let's check the results. So we came to yet another hill, and here is a statue of a Czech general and the beautiful city behind me. So I guess here should be good view. Let's check it out. So this is behind me is like one of the greatest spots in the Prague because it's like safe house. Nobody can see you inside there with a pult, and here it's a good launch pad. You know, you can start from here, no problem, and the view is magnificent. And I did a fly when I flew out, and it was like magnificent because you can see the whole the building from all the point, and then it opened up the hill. Check it out.
On our way to the tower there is yet one more spot.
Last year I have a problem launching the Mavic from here, from those places, and it almost hit up the tower. But today there is no wind and it should be fine. Let's try.
After that, as always, we went to eat and then went to the airport. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and to give it a like. See you next time.